Let's be honest, the authentic Indian chicken curry can be very spicy to most people. Many still prefer the milder and creamier version with minimum spices. And what if we treat it like kare-kare with a shrimp paste? Learn from our mother-daughter team today from Africa. You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. We are at the garden now. We're not at the small kitchen, and we're very fortunate to have a mother and daughter team. Guess where? They are from. Guess where? Later they'll introduce themselves.
Yes.
Introduce yourselves, my friends.
Hello, I'm Julie from Ghana, and I know Romilo from the church.
From the church.
So we had an appointment today to meet here and cook chicken curry with rice, and we have spinach.
Hi, I'm Princess, and I know Romilo from church.
Okay, and thank you also for visiting. I'm really excited.
And how old are you, Princess?
Yeah, tell them. Would you mind telling them? 12. She's 12. So yeah.
She's big 12.
Yeah. So what are we cooking today, Julie?
We are cooking sorry about the Dutch. We are cooking chicken curry with coconut milk and some spinach from his garden.
And that would be called what in Ghana? Does it have a name?
No, it's the same, chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Yes,
yeah. A la Julie.
Yes, a la Julie. Yes, we can add it. A la Julie.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me toss this away.
Yeah, that's the beauty of cooking outdoors. You can just throw away.
Yes.
Everywhere or anywhere the refuse.
It also fertilizes.
True. That's
well.
the purpose.
Yes.
And what are our ingredients, Julie?
Okay, we have here garlic, we have chopped onions, we have here chicken. Okay, Princess, go.
And
spinach.
We have sunflower oil, and we have coconut oil. You can get it at any shop. And here we have ginger, we have sweet onions and red onions as well.
Are we using all those?
No, we just used few of them.
Okay.
So I'll go and clean this. I have to clean it under the water. And then you can cut the chicken. Can I take this inside for more space?
While waiting for Julie, I might as well cut the chicken.
Yeah.
And as Princess also observed. If you're wondering why the chicken is colored yellow, it was marinated in curry, oil, and sauce.
It's already in olive oil, so the chicken. So now we're going to add a little bit of oil because there is much olive oil on the chicken, and then we're going to toss in our onions, chopped onions and garlic. Here we go. This is going to smell good, and the whole neighborhood will be coming looking for where this flavor is coming from.
And they will surely be wondering.
Yes, what's going on here? What's
going on at Romilo's place?
Yes. So you just keep on stirring till it gets a bit brown, and then you add your chicken.
That's why Julie is stirring the stir fry here, the sweeto. Princess there is preparing the ginger.
Yes.
This is the best training, actually.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember Basatino saying that there's no such cooking school. The best way to learn is from your mama.
Yes, and she does.
I agree, Princess?
Yes.
Yeah.
She really loves to help around in the kitchen.
Yeah. Basatino, by the way, is our friend from Belgium who has Italian heritage. And is very supportive of our Channel 1 channel.
That's good. We stir it from time to time.
Mommy, I'm done with
Do you want sangria?
What is that?
Sponge from Spain.
Oh, lekker. Yeah. Princess, I brought something for Princess. She doesn't take alcohol.
There's more, huh? I'll open the other one.
Okay, thank you. Princess fish and
Where is Ati, my sister Greg?
now roast.
Rose, and how about your princess? Water?
Oh, Princess, yeah, I brought.
I'll hand you the water.
Yes, now we have our chicken. Our chicken will go in now. And then we keep stirring as well, just like the onions. We have a beautiful big pan.
Yeah, it's red. Really.
For sauce.
And we're having sangria, Princess has orange juice concentrate.
Yes.
Yeah.
And see what we have here. He didn't cut it through.
The heat will do this job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry.
So while we're waiting, we sip our shangria. Roast, Princess.
Yeah. And let's welcome my man and Grace.
With onions, with garlic and chicken. And now we're going to add a little bit of ginger. I asked Princess to chop ginger, but it was
That's good.
yeah, just taking a bit of it to give it the special flavor.
Yeah. And ginger always goes well with chicken.
Yes, yes.
And rosemary is also a good replacement for ginger.
Oh, the coconut milk will come in later when the chicken is...
Say it loud.
Princess was asking when the coconut milk is coming in.
Yeah.
What's the yellow one? Curry. Oh, the curry powder. I just marinated it with curry. Yes, the coconut milk is coming in, so we add a bit of curry. There again, and if Grace can help me with the coconut milk, then we do it together.
It's strong.
Yes, she's a strong woman.
Very strong.
Look at that. Sure? Yes, pour everything in. Look at that.
It's not included.
So he's going to edit. He's going to edit later on. This is sito. We call it sito, and sito is made with dry fish powder, dry shrimp powder. We have tomato puree. We have garlic. We have onions. We have dry pepper powder, chili pepper powder.
All powerful ingredients.
Yes,
yeah.
all the
so it's a
powerful
bomb.
ingredients. So you throw everything in. First, you just fry the onions and the garlic. You blend it
And lots of oil.
in lots and lots of oil. Princess is also explaining because she knows how to prepare it.
Oh.
And then you fry the onion and the garlic dry, because all the ingredients coming in later are dry.
Okay.
And when it's dry, you just add salt, and then you add your dry ingredient. That is the dry shrimp powder and the dry fish powder. And then it's
I'll
ready.
explain that to our flips.
Yes.
To our flip kababayans there. Think of it as concentrated alamang, bagoong alamang with tomato sauce and all that you can imagine hot with pepper.
Yes.
Concentrated. It's a bomb.
Yes, yes.
So suko kayo, sorry. You know what we mean, susuko? You will give up.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I explain it to the
Yeah.
to my
So you stir it from
compatriots.
time to time. It will be ready soon, and we will be eating.
What is the...
Elizabeth Kling. Elizabeth Kling.
It's for the duration.
You think so?
I just...
When it's yeah, when it starts biting you, then you will know
just
that
only...
it's not.
I have to taste a little. Just...
Just goes there.
That's also good.
Yes?
Yeah.
I normally don't eat that one.
You don't eat?
I just cut them away. How about that?
Yeah, I will take it.
I will just toss them in for you.
In the grocery.
It's different.
No, it's
they tell you
different
it's
taste.
organic, but it's not organic.
Right.
So we close it again.
There you have it, our mild chicken curry with the option to add bagoong alamang a la kare kare. Brought to you by our friends from Ghana, Julie and Francis. On behalf of Madam Grace, Julie and Francis here, thank you for joining us this afternoon. And don't forget to come back for our cooking series, either here at the garden or at the kitchen. Until next time, your Kuya and Uncle here, Romila. Dios te guarde.